Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm making a spread for Gretchen, who is one of my patrons on Patreon, and she uses a classic vertical happy planner. I decided to use the Bookworm sticker book, volume 2 from Rongrong, because Gretchen does like to read, and I thought I would give her a book celebrating a book. I thought I would give her a planner page celebrating her love for reading. So this sticker book is really, really cute, and we're just gonna dive right in. And I thought this would be really fun to use for this spread. So this is meant to be one page, but I'm going to cut this up and do little bookshelves so that Gretchen can write her favorite book titles in there, or she can color these in depending on what she wants to do. So I'm going to just chop it up. Don't be afraid to cut up your sticker books. Stickers are easier to cut if they're on the page, just an FYI. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut. I know that you might not want to cut them on the page because then you're cutting up your sticker book, but I'm okay with it. See? What a mess. But I like it. I like it because it just makes it so much easier to get it exact. So we are going to just do this. I thought I'd put one of them up here and then one down at the bottom here. Here we go. I really like this. Get lost in a book. I think I'll put this down here, but let me white out this week's list first. Come on. We don't need that. Uh-oh, it magnetized itself to the page. You know what I mean? I hate it when it does that. Now, I think I need to, well, you know what? I don't think I need to white out the lines underneath. It's not that noticeable here. It's only noticeable right there, and I think that's okay. So now we're just gonna throw in some boxes, throw in some more stickers about books, and call it a day. All right, this is going to be an easy spread and one that I think she will like. We are going to do these little book pages. Maybe put this on the weekend since it's like 2 days worth, right? We can do it up here. And then we can do like a notebook page. How about right here? It's gonna match that color. And then maybe some of these little Polaroids. One there. One up here. Easy so far, right? It's looking cute already. I might use this too, but let's see what else is here. I don't want to make this too much more reading. Like, it's going to be about books, but I don't want any trackers on there or anything. Maybe currently reading, though, would be good. But the problem is I don't want to take up too much space because Gretchen's going to need to have it for her, like, regular plans, you know. So we'll just put this up here for her to write in what she's currently reading. And Gretchen, if you're not currently reading something, get on that, girl. Get on it. Because life's too short not to be reading. Of course, sometimes I don't read, but I've been on a reading kick lately. Drink coffee, read books, be happy. Yep. I'll put it right under that one. And how about Bookworm? Because that's going to fit right here. I know that's books and books. Maybe I should put it here. No, I want to put it here. Maybe we'll put another girl. over on this side. She could lean against the box, but it's too big. I can have her leaning against another box though. Let's get another box. All right, let's get another one like this, I guess. And she can lean against that. So first we're gonna put her down here. She'll sit on top of that book. And then she's gonna be leaning like right against that. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna need a couple more of these maybe. Here's a little one. Or there's this frame one. I could put that there. This one here, I guess, but then over here, we don't have one that has the tape, unless we put this one over here. I know that's on 2 days, but then we have 3 that have tape, so whatever Gretchen needs it for, I don't know. Okay. Something needs to go there. This is a quick spread. Look how quick this is. It's cute too, right? I think it's cute. We could put another one that spans 2 days. No, we don't want to do that. I know there's no box on Monday or, yeah, on Monday. That's okay though, right? We don't need a box on every single day, always. It's not a rule. Sometimes it is. We could do one of these boxes and then like wait out currently reading, but I don't necessarily like to do that. I might though. Okay, I don't like the whiteout, so what I think I'm gonna do is take a piece of label paper or just sticker paper and cut out a piece to fit over that. That way we can still use that box for something else and Gretchen can write in it, but it's not like you don't see the whiteout. And actually nobody likes to write on whiteout anyway. I know it's a pain when you have to write on the whiteout, so we're just gonna cut this down. Just kind of guessing here. That's pretty good. So it's easy to write on sticker paper, so that will give Gretchen another space to write. See, now you have another box. That's a little tip for you. I could do it here as well. Maybe I will. We'll cover that up too. Let's white this out, just in case you see it. Are we done? Maybe like a little header up there. Are there headers in here? Or how about this little quote? It has the book attached, but what we'll do is cut out the books and just use this little quote up in that section. Yeah, cute. Between the pages of a book is a lovely place to be. I like it. Do you guys like it? I could have used some washi tape in here maybe, or some lines, but I think it's cute. I think it's really cute. And it was quick and easy, and it'll give Gretchen something to record her favorite books in. Okay, what are we gonna call it? Let's call it Between the Lines. All right, I could name those girls. Should I name them? This is Francine. I don't know. We're not gonna put it there, that's weird. Well, actually we are. Francine and Angelica. I feel like I always use Angelica. I don't think I've ever used Francine. How about Jolene? Jolene and Francine, best friends, reading books, getting lost in stories. My favorite thing to do. So I hope you like this video, and Gretchen, I hope you like your spread. I'll put all my links in the description box, and the link for Rongrong will give you 10% off if you use my link. There's no code anymore, but the link will give you 10% off. It wasn't working for a while, it's working again. So check out this sticker book and all the other cute sticker books over there, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye.